Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm behind the wheel of something really special, a vehicle that brings the past into the present in a way that's both respectful and bold. This is the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, a modern take on Chevy's iconic post-war pickup truck. And let me tell you right now, this isn't just a nostalgic styling exercise. This is a truck that blends timeless design, cutting-edge engineering, and enough personality to stand out in a sea of generic modern pickups. From the moment you see it, you know it's different. The styling is unmistakably inspired by the original 1947 to 1953 Advanced Design Series. The round fenders, smooth curves, upright windshield, it all calls back to that golden era of American trucks. But Chevy didn't just copy the past, they reimagined it. Up front, the grille is a masterpiece. A modernized 5-bar horizontal design finished in brushed aluminum, sitting between round LED headlights with a classic halo ring that evokes vintage sealed beams. The Chevy badge on the nose is old school, cast in metal and backlit, a subtle fusion of retro and future. The hood opens forward like the original, and under it, there's no inline six like back in the day. Instead, depending on the trim you go for, you can spec it with a 3.0L Duramax diesel, a 5.3L small block V8, or, and this is the showstopper, a fully electric option tuned for torque and silence, all while keeping that classic look. But more on that in a minute. Walking around the side, you notice the stance right away. It's lower than a traditional full-size pickup, but still rides on a fully boxed modern frame. The proportions have been tightened up, slightly shortened bed, wider fenders, and a cab that's been subtly stretched for better comfort and visibility. It sits on retro-style 20-inch wheels that look like vintage Steelies but are actually lightweight alloys. And just above the front wheel arch, you'll find a classic 3100 script badge, the kind that'll make old-school truck guys nod with quiet respect. Around back, the bed is a real highlight. It's wood-lined with polished steel runners, yes, actual hardwood, and a tailgate that drops down on damped hinges with Chevrolet stamped in block letters just like the originals. Modern touches are hidden in plain sight. Integrated tailgate step, soft close latches, and discrete LED tail lamps. It's the kind of attention to detail that shows this truck was built for more than just show. It's functional art. Open the door and step inside. And it's clear Chevy wasn't interested in making a museum piece. This interior is beautifully executed. You're surrounded by leather, metal, and polished wood trim. Not fake plastic versions, but the real stuff. The dash keeps its symmetrical layout with round gauges and chrome bezels, but instead of analog dials, you get a fully digital cluster that mimics vintage style with customizable layouts. The center screen is seamlessly integrated and runs the latest Chevrolet infotainment system, complete with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G connectivity. There's a retro-style steering wheel with a thin rim and chrome horn ring, but it hides controls for adaptive cruise, voice commands, and media. Even the shifter is column-mounted for that classic truck feel, but now it's electronically controlled. The bench seat is gone, replaced with two incredibly supportive bucket seats, trimmed in saddle leather with heating, ventilation, and even massage. Above you is a suede headliner, and the cabin's insulation means it's whisper quiet even at highway speeds. In short, it feels like a classic on the outside and a luxury SUV on the inside. Now, depending on your powertrain choice, this 3100 drives very differently, but in all cases it's refined, smooth, and surprisingly capable. The V8 version gives you that familiar rumble, with 400 horsepower and a 10-speed automatic that's tuned for smooth, low-end torque. It's rear-wheel drive standard, with an optional AWD system that still lets you light up the rear tires. If you want to have fun, the diesel variant is all about torque and long-haul cruising. You get incredible towing capacity, up to 9,000 pounds, and fuel economy that's best in class for a mid-sized truck of this size. But the electric version? That's the surprise. Chevy's given it the Ultium platform, tuned for instant torque and a range of around 300 miles. It drives silent, smooth, and with zero emissions, yet it still feels authentic. There's even an option to simulate engine sounds through the speakers if you miss the V8 growl behind the wheel. The 3100 doesn't feel like a work truck. It feels like a cruiser, smooth steering, responsive brakes, and suspension that absorbs bumps without sacrificing feedback. It's more refined than any classic truck ever was, but it keeps that upright, commanding driving position that made the originals feel larger than life, and despite its luxury, it still works. The bed is usable, the tailgate is practical, and it's got up to 2,000 pounds of payload capacity depending on your spec. There are built-in tie-downs, power outlets in the bed, and a modular rail system for accessories. It's not just about looking cool at cars and coffee. This truck can still get things done. So, what's it going to cost you? The base price of the 2026 3100 starts around $48,000 for the standard V6 hybrid variant. Step up to the small block V8 and you're looking at around $55,000, the electric version. That starts closer to $60,000, but with federal and state AV incentives, it could end up being the smartest long-term option. Fully loaded, wood bed premium. Interior, magnetic suspension, all the good stuff. You're looking at around $72,000. It's not cheap, but then again, it's not supposed to be. This is craftsmanship, performance, and design wrapped into one. So who is this for? It's not for the guy looking for the cheapest work truck. It's not for the person who needs a basic daily commuter. This is for the driver who loves the past, but lives in the present. It's for people who appreciate history, but want reliability. It's for collectors who want to drive their showpiece. And for anyone who believes that personality matters more than horsepower alone, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 isn't just a truck. It's a rolling piece of Americana, revived, re-engineered, and ready to write a new chapter. And if you ask me, Chevy didn't just honor the original, they built something worthy of its name. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment down below. Would you go for the V8, the diesel, or the electric version of this classic reborn? And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this one. Until next time, stay curious, drive something that makes you smile, and I'll see you in the next one.